Okay, this is like Christmas. Seriously, I just went to the mailbox and it is so nice out. The sun is shining, the snow is melting, and there's a just gentle breeze. It's not even cold, like it's actually feeling like spring. Anyways, I want to show you something. All three of my orders arrived today from Lime Life. So we're gonna just open up one and then do another video because it's gonna get too overwhelming, but I am so darn excited. Okay, box number one. I'm thinking this is my kit that I got for $11. Yeah, I am enrolled in Lime Life because I wasn't missing out on these offers. I mean, I can do what I want with it. I keep my customer count and you know, there's no pressure, and I love that. And you just get so many perks, like so many perks. What do we have? Oh, this isn't the kit. All right, hang on a sec. I don't know. Let's just open this. Maybe this is the kit. Oh, it is. It is. It is. Okay. It says, you get a nice little card. Begin your beauty evolution. Welcome to Lime Life. You're now officially part of a community where women grow, succeed together. And yes, I'm part of a great group of women. That's the fun part too. And the training that you can do what you want, but it is just priceless. Like, I'm having fun. Our mission to inspire you to unlock your power. Okay. Now, I knew there was going to be 3 full products in here. Let's see. And this one's a makeup remover spray for eyes, face, and lips. Let's take a peek at that. Here it is here, so we'll have to give that a try, maybe tonight. I'm not going to go into all these right now. Whew. Samples. Okay, let's see what this one was. I think this was a mascara. Yeah, Making Waves. This is their waterproof mascara. I use the Lime Life tubing mascara because I love that mascara and I cannot see myself changing. But a lot of women love this mascara too. If you're into waterproof mascara, I haven't tried it. But this is the fun part about this. I can try, I can share, I can do giveaways. Do what you want. And then this is, oh yeah, this is, I have this one. I love it. This is the Enduring Eye Pencil, and it's just got 2 ends on it. Let's get it out here. Come on, come on. It's the black end and then kind of like a nude end. So I still haven't really played around with this end too much. But I love these pencils. Like the pigment is amazing and they stay. You can rub that on there and do that, and it's just like staying, because this is like high grade makeup, you know, professional grade makeup. All right, and look at all these samples. I mean, okay, we have to just go through a few here because, okay, there's the green smoothie. This is out of stock right now, and I want this so badly, and I will go into depth about this face cream another time. So maybe I'll share, maybe not, because I want to use it again. Oh gosh, that's the Due Date facial oil. Oh, there's the Sotoku's mushrooms. I'll share this because Jackie shared with me my beauty guide. Oh, there's like 2 of them there. You guys, we gotta be sharing here. And I got like a full bottle, and yeah, it's incredible. Oh, I think there's 3. Okay, this is the Lemon Jojoba Beads Face Mask for all skin types. Oh, there's another Sotox. I'm going to be sharing this, you guys, with you because that's one of my favorite. That's a Due Date facial oil. That's jojoba again, jojoba and jojoba. We'll just go through those. That's another Due Date. Due Date, Palmarosa and Sunflower Face Oil. What do we got here? Okay, we got another green smoothie. Okay, Tara, you can share. Oh, and another. Yeah. You're gonna wanna try this. And another, okay, we're good. Oh, there's the Midnight Oil Marula Face Serum. That is beautiful too. And we've got a few of those. This is awesome. Some for me and some to share. And then they've got one in a cleanser too. Yep, normal to dry skin. All right, okay, I've never tried this. The ladies love this, the eye, I believe. That's like an eye, moisture eye cream, Hydro Cloud. It's got melon and avocado. Let's see, there's a few of those. Oh, Cool Balm. I ordered that because it's just gorgeous and the smell is just incredible. So we got a few Cool Balms. Like, I love this because I can't wait to share it with everybody. And there's another I Believe, and another I Believe, and another I Believe. So there we go. That's what's in our kit, guys. I got for $11. Yes, you heard me right. Yeah. And these are the, I guess they put in the hyaluronic acid peptides. These are for the Duolab. And so we're gonna go into that. Well, we'll unbox that next. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do on this one right now, because yeah, we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, stay tuned.